El Chapo.
I just gotta let you know that girl, you mean the world to me. I just gotta let you know that you the only woman for me.
I'm cute.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, you guys. How you doing today? How's your mom? How's your dad? How's your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, your friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your pet? We back with another video.
Team Image, y'all. Yeah, Team Image. Y'all already know Team Image. We have another snack crate opening.
Guess what, y'all? It's big. It's juicy. It's out of this world. And it's my turn to do the honors this time. So y'all already know. Give me them scissors so I can bust this thing open. I ain't trying to cut you now. I'm not struggling.
All right, okay. Oh. Ooh.
As y'all know, the last snack crate that we had was Finland. So this is a really cool, really neat thing on the website. If you like a specific snack from that bundle, from that country, you can order that snack specifically. You don't have to order the whole bundle, the whole package, just to have that one snack that you really like. I mean, y'all should have known we was gonna order more hearts, Taffel hearts from Finland. So we ordered more of these.
We ordered more of the Moomins. Of course, you gotta get more Moomins.
We ordered more Moomins. And this is just really cool. Like, I really like that feature from their site. It's from Brazil. However, comma, but they do.
Brazil? Go ahead.
They don't have the original like little pamphlet. I think that was because we ordered other things with the little thing that says Brazil on it. But anyways, I guess we just gonna get straight into, you know,
the video
and these snacks. There's 3 of these. They are called Lacta Sonho
de Valsa.
Sonho de Valsa. Valsa. That was kind of hard to pronounce. I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like there's chocolate in here, maybe.
I don't think it might be chocolate. Right. It is chocolate.
Yeah. Oh. This like my color. Oh no, that's like your color. Okay, that baby. Chocolate shining. Shining, 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 yeah.
There's something in it.
Okay, I'm gonna try this out. I am going to try to shake this ball next to the mic and see if y'all can hear this. So the ball, there's something inside of it. I'm ready to go ahead and bite into it. Let's do it.
Your butt finger.
You be so quick to say what it is, but it's not.
It's not a butt finger.
It's not a Butterfinger.
It's good though. Good.
It's not bad.
Let's go.
That was chocolate, and then there was like a wafer underneath the, like a thin layer of wafer underneath the chocolate, and then I think you have some type of light peanut butter in the middle. It wasn't like super strong peanut butter, but I think that was peanut butter.
It didn't taste like it, but
it feels like it to me.
Biss. It looked like a vanilla wafer with chocolate in the middle.
Yeah.
Biss.
I really hope this is a vanilla wafer and not white chocolate, because
I like white chocolate.
You just like my mom.
I like white chocolate.
I like white chocolate. I love my mom. They're like almost bubblegum size. Oops.
white chocolate.
It's white chocolate. But I don't like white chocolate. It doesn't smell bad.
It's decent.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh, that's really
I like
good.
that.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
And it's a whole pack of these, y'all. They come out in little, like, it's a whole pack.
Brazil, they doing their thing.
That's
okay?
good. If I didn't have to eat all the rest of these, I would eat another one of those.
Sensacayo. It looks like strawberry filling chocolate. I know I might not like this. I don't know. I have a strong dislike of strawberry filling in chocolate. It could be caramel, and I'm okay with caramel, but strawberry?
I don't do strawberry filling anything. So this is by Nestle, whatever you call it. I'm scared.
No.
I already knew I wasn't gonna like that. You just trying to get all the chocolate out the way, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's a lot of chocolate stuff in here, y'all. So if y'all like chocolate, y'all big chocolate fans. Oh, these are, let me not spoil it. I'm trying to get ahead of myself. What am I doing?
All right, this says pestillo. It's coconut.
Prestigio.
This is coconut. I dislike coconut.
We both do not like coconut. We will try it for y'all. Show him. Gotta get all of them at the bottom.
You shook one out.
I shook it out. It's a whole list. These are gummies. I didn't even do that.
Oh, we love gum. We do lots of gummies.
You like gummies.
You like some gum.
Like that gelatin. You like that gelatin? I like that gelatin. You like that gelatin?
Gelatinas.
Fini gelatinas. Gelatinas. I guess it's already open from the bottom, so might as well. And you know what these are? These are emojis.
Oh, they are emojis. That's cool. They are
see
emojis.
That? They're emojis. That is so cool, Brazil. Y'all got it going on.
Monkey. Well, I don't know if you can see it. The monkey one.
I don't know if y'all be able to see this because it's like the laughing emoji, I think.
The one with the tears. It's good.
It's like, it's kind of hard a little bit.
Yeah. And here's another one. Is hold up. Wait, hold up. Get right with you. Yeah, you can see right there. It's smacking his face. Things are cool. What? Brazil?
I mean, I like gummies, so I like it, but
it doesn't have the like.
It's not a strong tasting. I mean, like the gummy is not.
It's a heart.
Sweet. Like it's sweet, but it's not like what you would expect. Like American gummies, like gummy bears and gummy worms.
But this has less flavor than.
Yeah, it has less flavor.
In America, it's not bad.
It's not bad though. No.
It's poop. It's poop.
I got the poop one just now too. Can we back away from the candy for a second?
Yeah, you grab it.
Just for a second. Just my tooth. My tooth. Torcidas. No, Torcidas Junior.
They look like cheese. The what
and it says the flavor is.
They look like cheese.
I was about to say queso, but it's not queso. That's
Queijo.
No.
Queijo.
Queijo. Because isn't in Spanish the J is not pronounced J, it's pronounced as the H. And
let me just get one. They don't taste like Cheez-Its.
They smell like it, but
Yeah,
it
those
tastes kind of like corn chips.
sweet and sour. No, not sweet and sour. Sour cream onion?
No.
No.
It tastes like corn chips with maybe a little cheese in there.
Oh, corn chips. The goldfish. It smell like, it tastes like stale goldfish. The goldfish.
Maybe to him, but I think it's because I've had like a lot more of like the Hispanic culture snacks. I've had more of their snacks, and I've tasted that corn chip kind of, y'all know that deep corn chip kind of flavor, but it's not the American, like, it's not like Fritos corn chips. It's not like that. I can't explain it, and I don't want to explain it too much where I offend somebody, so they're good.
Those are good. Yeah, I like those.
Those are good. Or
Like
Ricardo.
Ricardo. Pit stop. Pit stop, like cheese crackers. Cheese.
Ooh. That cheese.
This cheese, the smell of it reminds me of the Lunchable cheese. You know that block of cheese you get in the Lunchable? This is what exists. Yeah,
With a little hint of dog treat. Smell it deep, deep smell. Dog treat.
The bacon flavor.
The bacon flavored dog
treats. Oh my
treats.
goodness.
I'm scared. Fix your mouth, babe. You got it all over your mouth. You got some on your lip. Just wipe your lip off.
Let me be messy.
No.
This is the aftertaste of the cheese. It's not bad. But it do taste like that Lunchable cheese though. You don't like it?
I didn't say that. It's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
It's just like you said. There is a slight aftertaste, and it tastes like the Lunchable cheese.
Okay, that's all right. That's all right.
I'm proud of you. You hit that right on the money. That's exactly what it is. Slight aftertaste, Lunchable cheese. With crumbs on your lip. It's an air bubble.
Ruffles.
Y'all, my face is glowing.
It's.
What?
I don't like the smell of it.
Churrasco.
Churrasco. It's just
Churrasco.
smell it. I don't. Like, most definitely smell like Vienna sausages.
It smells like Vienna sausages.
It tastes like them too.
Here we go. I'm Squidward.
Hold up. Because when you first bite into it, it tastes like Vienna sausage. But then the aftertaste, there's a whole aftertaste that make it taste like a full hamburger with pickles.
With pickles?
Try it. No?
Bro.
See? See, I knew I was not tripping. That is weird.
Wow. I don't know what. Brazil. I don't know what y'all got going on in them chips. How are y'all doing that? How are y'all putting the whole hamburger on a chip? I don't eat pork. I don't eat beef. I don't eat red meat. I'm basically like a pescatarian, but I'll have chicken every now and then. Pescatarian is you only eat seafood. That's the only kind of meat that you eat. Do y'all know how long it's been since I've had a hamburger? I am 21 years old. I have not had a hamburger since I was about 10, 9.
Like, how do you do that? Cause it's like over here, you have chips that say they have the flavor of this, but it's not really that fully flavor. I mean that full flavor it says on the label. But this,
it's like first you taste the meat, you smell the meat and kind of taste it at the same time, and then you taste the bun, and then you taste the cheese, and then it's like whoa,
it's like the pickles is like last. You don't taste the pickles?
Not really. This has nuts in it.
It says shots. Everybody! Look, hitting that light. Oh, look at that highlight.
This chocolate bar has whole nuts in it.
It's decent. It's not like, oh, ooh, nah. I don't like the aftertaste.
It does have a little bit of aftertaste, but it tastes kind of like a Snickers without the fig Newton bar, I think. I don't know.
It's called the Next Tortu Gooey. We have that.
I'm sleepy, y'all.
This is what we have. It's a chocolate turtle. Chocolate turtle.
But are they different flavors? Look, before you open it.
That one says lots. They all say.
No, right here, under it.
Oh, I have Brigadier. I can't pronounce these words. I cannot pronounce these words. Yeah.
Is something in it?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
It says white chocolate. I should have known that.
What is that? The chocolate sprinkles.
There's chocolate sprinkles inside? What?
Yeah. Garden sprinkles.
Dude.
I'm not gonna finish that. It's good. It is real. Like, whoa! I should have finished that. That's good. I like. Ooh. Which one's this? That's good.
Does that one taste anything like the other one?
Mm-mm.
So this video is actually longer just because this box is bigger. We got the what is it called? There's like a regular box, and then there's like a, not Supreme, but it's called something else where you have like the drink. So this was our first box with the drink in it. We got 2 more snacks to go, and 90% of this stuff was chocolate.
It's in my teeth.
And I'm just over it. That's why. Look, y'all see the way chocolate makes me feel? I'm sorry, I'm opening this. Let me, here, do this, please, please.
Excuse me. It says a Trollo, a Lolo.
Oh, show the people what it really says.
Lolo. Lolo, L.
Why do you say Trollo?
I thought it was a T and an R.
Oh.
But it says Lolo. It's fudge.
I don't like fudge.
Nah. I just spit. Yup. Nah.
Nah. This says Bibs.
It looks like the wafer balls, or what are those called?
Whoppers.
Thank you. The Whoppers.
I knew exactly what he was talking about when he first tried to explain it. They might be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I used to eat these when I
They're a
was
little
younger.
bit crunchier.
I used to eat these until I got sick. That's how much I enjoyed these, but I haven't ate one since.
That's how my
Metal. High school.
I actually like Whoppers, y'all, so that's why I'm eating these.
Whoppers are good, but yeah.
I think I'm done.
Yeah. Yeah, go away.
This is what the drink comes in. All right. Fanta, Fanta, don't you wanna? Fanta, Fanta, don't you wanna? I don't know how to say this. Guarana.
Guarana. Guarana.
Is that like cherry? That looks like a cherry to me.
It might not be.
It smells like green apple or something.
We about to get taps out.
We're gonna end this off by toasting. What do you want to toast to, babe?
50 subscribers.
We're gonna end this off by toasting to 50 subscribers. We love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. And there we go. It don't really have much of a taste to it.
I thought it was gonna be fruity.
I thought so too, but I'm kind of thirsty, so I'm gonna put a little bit more.
That's after can, so I might as well get the rest of me. Anyways, thank you all for watching.
Thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, if you want to see more snack crate videos, because we're going to give y'all more snack crate videos anyways, but if y'all suggest a certain country, let us know and we'll go ahead and do that for y'all. All my beautiful souls, I hope you have a great rest of the week.
And all my friends, have a safe month. And stay safe. Stay comfy.
Share this video.
Peace.
Me and you together, baby girl, we make a perfect team, baby. Yeah. I just gotta let you know that, girl, you mean the world to me. To me, you mean the world to me.